Sarah from Nova Scotia. Welcome back to Colorful Creations. If it's your first time here, I post every Sunday and Thursday morning. So if you like what you see and choose to subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Today I'm going to do a puddle pour and wreck it. Draw some lines to it with this. I'm working on an 18 by 24 inch canvas, level 3. I'm going to use, I got magenta, I got aqua green, like a regular, like a tree green, and black. And going for some kind of a maybe 3D. We'll see what happens. All right, let's get started. Okay, I have my canvas here. It's sitting on a spinner so that I can spin it out when I'm done. I'm going to start putting my puddles. I have a link to a video I made on how I mix my paint, and that's in the description for you. So I'm just going to do all these from the center, and in order to keep it even and not go all lopsided, I'm going to turn it a quarter turn after each color, just so that they get laid on evenly. I'll just do a few and then I'll speed it up. So I'm just using black. This is the aqua green. And then I have magenta. And it's phthalo green from Mont. Okay, here it is dry. There's no resin or varnish yet. It dried gorgeous. All the colors are super vibrant and everything's showing evenly, which I love. Sometimes when you use metallics, they get buried. So I find it's best to use like all metallics or no metallics, or like a mix, like all your colors to be mixed evenly. It's just the weight of metallics are heavier and they end up sinking under the non-metallics. So this one was all non-metallic, so everything is showing just the way I wanted it. It's like, it's super like 3D. I like how I feel like I'm being sucked into it somehow. So what do you think? Do you love it? Hate it? Tell me in the comments. If you have any suggestions or ideas or anything, I'm open to that too. This will be for sale on my website. I'll put the link below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.